basically this past winter through Zumiez Chase as one of the few select proud top sellers, best sellers. Was what, about a 1 in 150 chance of getting selected, and he basically got to bring a date. So Josh is his +1 to come out to Mervyn MFG and build a freaking board. Chase got to bring a date. He got a +1, so I figured I'd bring a date too. Make this thing double date.
Bring a friend day.
I'm Travis Rice, and this is my date.
Mark Landvik.
You work at Zumiez too, right?
Yeah, Mike Olson, right?
Nope. Who's this? Zumiez 100K, huh?
Is this one of yours? All right, we're building pickles.
Nice cuts! Nice!
Now we are placing the inserts.
I stuck them in a little bit. What exactly are they laying these rubber strips on here for, Travis?
Oh, they're actually laying the rubber strips on to dampen the board and get a better bond with the edges.
Oh, bend over, boy!
Arr!
What the frick's up with that resin, dude? Hey!
Oh wow, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be a really well built board here.
Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Appropriate pressure.
Quantity, not quality.
Hey! All right, well get that finger out of my ass. Oh, Danny Kass, what up?
Danny
Kass
put a finger in his ass.
Let's lay up some canoes next.
This is it. We're doing it. This is a pickle.
This is a pickle.
This is your shit, dog.
Oh, getting the pickle.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet when they when I gave them the you could build any board you want. They decided to build a pickle.
They wanted the pickle.
Yeah.
All right. Everyone loves the pickle. What is that, a growth? It's a skull penis.
Oh. Skull penis.
Candy comes out of that one.
I did do that. Come on, get your fingers in here. Woo! It's hot. Okay, we just finished up. Pressed boards out, cooled, and now we're ready for finishing.
Finishing.
Fire that thing up! Bring it on through, buddy! Oh my God!
Park that pickle in the rear!
Woo! There's T-Rice approved! Mark Landvik approved! Yeah,
All right, well that does it. She's officially a wrap. Yeah, it was epic having Chase and Josh. The root of it all is like the insane employees that are inside building, bitching boards. Dude, that's it, man. A lot of love up here. It's weird, don't get me wrong. I mean, look at this freaking tree over here. It's weird.
Super stoked, and everyone here has been super helpful. These guys are the best builders on earth here in the US, right near Canada.